Planning to start a smart classroom technology provider in Singapore? Here's what you need to know. Singapore's education sector is rapidly adopting digital learning tools, creating strong demand for smart classroom solutions. These include interactive displays, learning management systems, AI-powered analytics, and hybrid learning technologies for schools and training institutions. First, define your solutions. Will you provide hardware, software platforms, cloud-based learning tools, or fully integrated smart classroom systems? Your target market may include schools, private education institutions, corporate training providers, or government-linked organizations. Next, register your company with ACRA. Most founders choose a private limited company for scalability and credibility. Depending on your offerings, you may need to comply with IMDA regulations, PDPA data protection requirements, or education sector procurement standards. You'll need skilled teams in software development, system integration, and technical support. Data security, system reliability, and intellectual property protection are critical when handling educational technology. Sound financial management is essential. This includes proper accounting, tax compliance, grant advisory, and GST registration if applicable. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support smart classroom technology providers with company incorporation, regulatory compliance, accounting, tax planning, and business advisory, so you can focus on transforming education through technology.